Understanding the role of a boiler technician. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting phrase, boiler technician. This phrase might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in a way that's easy to understand. Let's dive into the world of boilers and the technicians who specialize in them. Before understanding what a boiler technician does, it's important to know what a boiler is. A boiler is a type of equipment used to heat water or produce steam. This steam or hot water is then used for various purposes like heating buildings, generating electricity, or even powering ships. Boilers are found in industrial settings, commercial buildings, and sometimes in large residential complexes. Now, let's talk about the main topic, a boiler technician. A boiler technician is a skilled professional responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing boilers. They ensure that boilers operate safely and efficiently. Their work includes regular inspections, troubleshooting problems, replacing parts, and adhering to safety protocols. They play a crucial role in industries where boilers are essential. What does it take to become a boiler technician? This role requires a combination of education, training, and skills. Typically, a high school diploma followed by specialized training or an apprenticeship is necessary. Key skills include mechanical aptitude, problem solving, attention to detail, and knowledge of safety procedures. In many places, boiler technicians also need to be licensed or certified. Why is this role important? Boiler technicians are vital for maintaining the safety and efficiency of boiler systems. Their expertise helps prevent accidents, ensures continuous operation of heating systems, and contributes to the smooth functioning of various industries. Without them, the risk of boiler malfunctions and potential hazards increases significantly. I hope this video has helped you understand what a boiler technician is and why their role is so important. Remember, learning English isn't just about language. It's also about understanding different aspects of life and various professions. Keep exploring and learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.